Hello and welcome. If you come inside of your WordPress installation and you look to your pages or your posts and you have an interface with the old style editor, if you want to work with Gutenberg, you're going to need to update. Typically, you're going to see the interface to update at the very top of all of your screens in WordPress, and all you'll need to do is to click this link that says please update now. You want to make sure that you have backed up your site so that in case anything happens, you'll be able to restore your data from one location. So what we'll do now is we'll click this Update Now link. Then you'll be brought to this screen. You're going to be given the choice again to Update Now, and then you'll want to click this button. WordPress will then go through a series of functions, and then you'll see that your site will then be updated to WordPress 5.02. You'll then see this interface. You can then go to your pages or your posts, go to Add New. You look at the interface, you're then going to see the Gutenberg Editor. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.